So the Double Trouble project is moving along at a pretty good pace here. Really, complicated thing to build a car like this, where we're having to create, pretty much everything. The most recent action is that we've formed the back section of the car so that up to this point the chassis kind of died at the rear axle area, and so now we have formed that chassis structure back around the back that'll support the sheet metal around the back of the engine, because it is rear engine. So that's coming, along with routing for wiring and plumbing and all that kind of stuff has been established. Also pretty significant is that we've got the bucks done for the four corners. Now, this was a existing car. This was an Abarth double bubble. So we've got the roof and the boot and the bonnet, and we actually have the wings, but we are making them wider. And so it's going to have kind of a Coke bottle wide body effect to this car. All this because we're making this car something it wasn't, a highly capable machine that will be able to do vintage La Carrera, Pan America, type events. And this body work is necessary to envelope it all and get it under there. So the bucks are there, we're starting to shape metal, the chassis is done, so it's actually coming together pretty damn quick. We should have a car at some point that we can roll and prove out. So exciting things happening. If you like this video, we have more. We have a continuing series on all these cars. We try to document it all. If you want to see it, subscribe and like.